Do you know if the trees being planted in your neighborhood were grown inside a greenhouse or an open-air farm? What about the food at your local grocery store? Why would a farmer or horticulturalist need to grow plants indoors? With the threat of climate change and a growing world population, researchers have been increasingly interested in a branch of science known as controlled environmental agriculture, in which innovative technology, plant science, and environmental control systems are used in greenhouses to improve plant growth and health, as well as production efficiency. By optimizing the environmental conditions in which a plant grows year-round, greenhouses can dramatically change the agriculture and forestry industries as we know them today and emerge at the forefront of scientific research. At Ivy Online Academy, you're invited to take our Eco Solutions, Smarter Greenhouses course and join a team of researchers and PhD students from Cornell University for an immersion into the greenhouse industry together with Trella, an Ivy Online Academy collaborator who is a global eco-services company with the largest state-of-the-art greenhouse facility and tree nursery in China. Students enrolled in this course will experience real-world case studies and virtual labs. The course is divided into two phases. Phase 1, agriculture and forestry in a greenhouse context, and Phase 2, greenhouse humidity reduction, a Trella experiment. In the first phase of the course, students will be introduced to the ecology, structure, and functions of agroforestry systems across field, greenhouse, and ponics systems. At the end of Phase 1, students will have the opportunity to perform an investigative case study provided by Trella called Math Engineering Greenhouse Air Exchanges, in which they will be guided on how to perform an environmental assessment and propose solutions to a real-world greenhouse challenge. In Phase 2, students will apply their knowledge in greenhouse science and infrastructure to propose solutions to real environmental issues in the experiment Math Engineering Greenhouse Humidity Reduction. Using Trella's greenhouse facility as a virtual lab and resource tool, students will identify their own research questions and use scientific analysis to craft and justify solutions to environmental problems commonly faced in greenhouses. All participants will present their findings to a panel of fellow students and Cornell researchers. Every student who enrolls in both phases of this course will receive a Trella virtual tree gift. Your name will be assigned to one baby tree located in China. The top 20% of the class will also receive a letter of recommendation signed by Trella's chief horticulturist, Eric Hammond, and Trella's co-founder, Jonathan Crane. Upon completion of the course, students will have the capability to extend their mastery of the scientific method to personal research projects and the research projects they will experience. With their exposure to a critical field of science and environmental corporations on the front lines of the industry, innovation, and best management practices, students will be equipped with the knowledge to solve real-world problems. With Ivy Online Academy, our diverse learning mediums and emphasis on taking learning outside the classroom provide students with an unforgettable learning opportunity. Welcome to the team and see you in the class. Thank you very much.